Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we're making a Tex-Mex favorite, delicious beef enchiladas with a creamy white sauce that is so tasty. Your family will be begging you to make this again and again. If you're new to our channel, we'll show you how to make homemade food that's easy, delicious, and perfect for sharing with everyone you love. These enchiladas are amazing and quite possibly will be some of the best enchiladas you've ever had. Let's just say there won't be any leftovers, and I guarantee someone will be licking their plate on this one. I can't wait to show you how easy it is to make them. Here's a quick look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them in the entire recipe in the description box below. Chop 1/2 of a yellow onion. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and add about 1 tablespoon of avocado or olive oil. Add the onion and saute for about a minute or two. Then add 1 pound of ground beef and cook it, breaking it into bite-sized pieces and mixing it in with the onion. While the ground beef is cooking, preheat the oven to 350 degrees and begin warming up your tortillas. Use your favorite, flour or corn. We only have flour right now, so that's what I'll be using. After about 10 minutes, once the beef is browned, add 2 tablespoons of flour. Stir and cook for about 2 minutes. Then add 4 ounces of tomato paste and a 1/2 cup of water. Stir and cook this for about 2 more minutes. Now it's time to add the spices. Add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Stir everything together and cook this for about 1 minute. Then remove the filling mixture from heat and add 1 cup of sour cream and stir this to mix thoroughly. To make the sauce, combine 1 teaspoon of better than bouillon beef concentrate with a 1/2 cup of hot water and then whisk this up to dissolve the concentrate. Add 1 cup of heavy cream and mix it together. I ended up adding 1 more teaspoon of the better than bouillon for a more beefy flavored sauce. Next, dip each tortilla in the sauce, just enough to coat it. Then spread the tortilla with about 3 tablespoons of the filling down the center of the tortilla and roll it up. Place it seam side down into a dish sprayed with olive oil. Continue filling all of the tortillas and place them right up next to each other. This recipe will fill about 10 to 12 small tortillas. Thank you so much for watching. We have new videos every week. Subscribe and ring the bell so you know when we've posted a new one. Once you've rolled up all of the enchiladas, pour the remaining sauce all over the top. Now spread a layer of your favorite cheese. Bake this in the 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes, or until the sauce is bubbling and the cheese is just beginning to brown. And here is our easy beef enchiladas with a white cream sauce and cheese on top. I like to serve this with pickled jalapenos and a fresh pico de gallo or salsa. These enchiladas are amazing. I hope you enjoy them. And if you like this recipe, please give us a thumbs up and share it with a friend. For more easy dinner recipes, check out this playlist. And here's another video I think you'll like. I'll see you in the next video.